the solution in Sonic's brain. That really happened. I like being big. Oh. I guess. Okay. I'm small right now. I'm like 4 inches or something. Okay, I'm small. See, I'm small and I'm right at the camera. I'm small. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna eat this mushroom that I found that I haven't eaten yet. Yes, I'm gonna eat it. Hey, I feel power. Holy shoot, I'm getting bigger. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm huge. Dun 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 dun. Back in the lab. Okay, I think that's it. That is it. Let's tell him and let's make him eat another mushroom. So, wait, so time to go. Okay, I'll wake him up. Oh no, he's stepping on me. Huh? Oh, sorry. I'm out of here. Okay, Sonic, I want you to eat this mushroom. I know it's poisonous, but it'll work on you. Come here, what happened? I guess I'm small again. Yes, you are, Sonic. Okay, so now that we did this, I'm gonna leave. Come here. Wait, how did I get big? Tail.